This is where we mix the paint. And then, here we place all the paint materials. It's all on these shelves we have here. If the customer wants to adjust the color to what effect, to make product more colorful, so what color does the customer want? We'll make it that color. To achieve customer satisfaction product color, here are some of our chemical explosion-proof cabinets. It means, according to our request, some water, natural water, something needs to be sealed, it's all in here, it's protected. And then, the oil is in this part. This part of the paint. Mix some special colors that the guests need. This is where it was done. This place is our independent sample houses. In our sample houses, it means making some samples are made in here. They are workers making samples. Our products are handmade. Surface treatment of products is done by hand one by one. It is according to the customer's request, such as quality requirements, and some of the structure of the picture, test structure, are made in strict accordance with the requirements. Now let's look over here. The workers are checking it, 100% of it. Do not have a bad product. Can't let a bad product to the next process. Over here is our automatic paint spray workshop. The manual processing part. These products are based on the specific requirements of the customers, some part of the components, some special requirements. Each worker inspects the surface. While performing surface treatment, defective products cannot be left to the next process. After the oil spray, needs someone to check the product again here. Every product has to go through several checks, and then arrange it, individual packages, one by one. Here is also one of our product workspaces. In this process, the product is laid out on an iron mesh. After the products are laid out, they're sent over here to be sprayed. Once it's sprayed, it's sent down to this conveyor belt. It's sent down to the oven. After baking, QC staff will conduct a comprehensive test.